Happy Wednesday. Today is the 30th, and we are going to be looking at transforming other parent functions. So if you look here, there are 5 other functions that we are going to be looking at through our course of study with Algebra 2. So each of these is the parent function, the most simple function from which we can make transformations from. So today you're going to be working with your groups. You need to complete your assigned slide, and then there are some review and preview problems on a Google form. So for that shared slide, I need you to make a copy of it, and one person from your team will upload that for a grade. And then you'll also do your Google form on your own. So the directions for today. So on the following slides, there are 5 parent functions. Again, remember, a parent function is the most simple form of an equation. From the parent function, we can complete transformations, and that's what we're going to do as well. So each member from your team needs to complete one slide. So if there are 4 people on your team, each of you get a slide. If a partner cannot meet, still assign them that slide so they can do it on their own time. Now, if, say, the 4th person doesn't do their slide, that's on them, not you. So make sure their name is on it. So I know that that slide was supposed to be done by your partner. And if they didn't do it, then they will lose credit and you won't. However, because there are 5 different functions and groups have 3 to 4 people, you do need to complete all of them. Like, so say I have a slide, Ms. Callahan has a slide, Mr. Wade has a slide, and Ms. Ogletree has a slide. So that leaves one left over that we need to complete together. So we just need all of the slides covered, but say I don't do my one slide that I was assigned, then that's on me. Don't do that slide for them. And if you have any questions about this, let me know. I am going to walk you through my example here. So you can see this is very similar to what yours will look like. The function is already listed there for you along with the general equation. Okay, there is a space for you to put that group member's name. There's a space for you to put the parent function graph. So you'll type this in and do the parent function. You'll tell me the domain, range, and x and y intercept of the parent function. Then you are going to create equations that make the graph do each of these things. So like this equation would take my graph to the right, left, and so forth. Okay, then you're going to answer what does a change in A do, H, and K. And lastly, I have one picture here that has every single one of these equations on one graph, and that's what you'll put in this spot. There is a link to a Desmos help tool down here, and it is specific to each function. I've already got the parent function graphed on that help tool for you with sliders, so then you can mess around with the A, the H, and the K and see what happens when you change the graph. So the next slides, like I said, are blank. There's a cubic, rational, square root, absolute value, and exponential. So you will divvy these up among your teammates. And if you have any questions, let me know.